Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I welcome you all to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking a delicious and simple Kenyan omena recipe, which is crispy, flavorful and perfect with ugali. If you love budget-friendly and nutritious meals, stay tuned until the end of this video. The ingredients we have today, as you can see, we have omena here, which is our main theme. This is dry omena. We will need warm water, salt. I already have chopped tomatoes and chopped bulb onion, or you can call it red onions. We will need cooking oil and Royco seasoning, which is optional for our dish. Now let's start the process of washing and draining of our omena. Let's start by washing our omena. We use warm water here. We are just going to wash it, then we will rinse it. You can rinse it as many times you want, as long as you feel like your omena is clean. For us, we are going to rinse our omena twice. We rinse our omena twice to remove the sand and the smell. After washing it, we will completely drain all the water. I'm just going to take my bowl top and transfer our omena. As you can see, the water is really dirty. Therefore, let's transfer our omena. Let's drain the old water. You see how dirty our water is. It's somehow whitish, I can say. Oops. We are back again. We have done our round one. Therefore, let me transfer my omena in my bowl and rinse it for the second time. I'm going to add water. You can see the color of water is different from the first water we used earlier. I'm just going to drain all the water away and keep our omena aside. Then from there, we are going to start the process of heating our pan and adding oil. After our oil is heated, we are going to add our omena and start frying it to golden brown. Until it's golden brown, we will add our onions and let it cook for a while. Then we add our tomatoes. For our tomatoes, we're gonna let it cook until it turns into a thick red paste. Then from there we can add salt and our seasoning. You can use any type of seasoning. And in the process of washing your omena, You can use warm water or cold water. Just remember to rinse your omena thoroughly. We are going to start heating our pan. After it is heated, I'm gonna add my oil and start frying of our omena until it is golden brown. Our pan is heated, therefore I'm just going to add oil directly. Because our pan was hot, I'm now going to add my drained omena directly into my pan and start frying it until it is golden brown and crispy. I'm going to spread it all over the pan. We're just going to let the one at the bottom to cook. After it was cooked, we are going to flip, not to turn it. We are going to flip it, the one at the bottom to be at the top, while the one at the top to be at the bottom. Let's give it some time to cook. We are going to flip it. After the one at the bottom has absorbed the oil, from there we will start turning our omena until it fries to golden brown. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to avoid flipping of the oil. Just a little salt. Now let's get started. We are going to keep turning it until it is uniformly cooked to golden brown and crispy. Our omena is cooked to golden brown. I'm just therefore going to add the chopped onions and fry it until soft. You can see how golden our omena is. I'm now going to add tomatoes. I'm just going to add a little of pinch of salt, just a little. Then we are going to mix everything together. We are just going to let tomatoes cook until it forms a thick sauce, or you can say it's a thick paste. After the thick paste is formed, we are going to add our seasoning over here. You can use any seasoning of your choice. As for me, I do prefer this. Let us give it some time. As you can see, the thick sauce is at the process of forming. Let us give it another 3 minutes for it to be completely in a thick sauce. Our thick paste is already formed, as you can see. Therefore, I'm just going to add my seasoning directly. I'm going to mix everything well and cook for 2 minutes. As you can see, guys, our omena is perfectly ready. It is very crispy, and you can see how juicy it is. Our juicy and crispy omena is ready. It is full of flavor, as you can see. For this omena, you can serve it with hot ugali and any vegetable of your choice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty budget friendly meals. See you in the next video.